Hello friends, welcome to Civil Tastic. In this video, we will learn about 50 important points on bricks that can come on SSC RRB ISRO, DSSB, TFCCIL and State JEE. You can use this video as the last minute revision for these exams. So let's begin. The standard size of modular bricks is 19 cm into 9 cm into 9 cm. The standard size of nominal bricks is 20 cm into 10 cm into 10 cm. The dimension of traditional brick is 23 cm into 11.45 cm into 7.6 cm. The weight of bricks is around 3.5 kg. The frog in the brick is provided to hold mortar. The dimension of frog is 10 cm into 4 cm into 1 cm. The depth of frog is 10 mm. The water absorption for first class bricks should not be more than 15%. The water absorption for second class bricks should not be more than 20%. The water absorption for third class bricks should not be more than 25%. The crushing strength of first class bricks should be 10.5 Newton per mm square. The crushing strength of second class bricks should be 7 Newton per mm square. The crushing strength of third class bricks should be 5 Newton per mm square. Silica is used around 50 to 60% to prevent cracking and shrinking. Alumina is used around 20 to 30% and provides plasticity to the bricks. Lime is used less than 10%. It helps in binding and prevents shrinkage on burning. Iron oxide less than 7% is used. It provides red color to the bricks. It also provides strength and hardness to the bricks. Magnesia less than 1% is used, which provides yellow tint to the bricks. The procedure for preparation of bricks is unsoiling, digging, cleaning, weathering, blending, tempering, molding, drying and burning. The unsoiling is done on top 200 mm of soil layer. The size of mold is 8 to 12% greater than size of bricks. Molded bricks are dried to a moisture content of 5 to 7%. Natural drying takes about 10 days while artificial drying takes about 3 days. Dimension test of brick is done as per IS 1077. Water absorption test is done as per IS 3495 part 2. Compressive strength test is done as per IS 3495 part 1. Efflorescence test is done as per IS 3495 part 3. Dimension test of bricks is done by stacking 20 bricks. Minimum compressive strength of a building stone should be 3.5 Newton per mm square. The efflorescence of brick should be less than 10% for higher classes. Pug mill is used for tempering the brick earth. Now we will see defects in bricks. Overburning of bricks, underburning of bricks, bloating. Bloating is caused due to presence of excess carbonaceous matter and sulfur in bricks. Black core is caused due to non-removal of bituminous matter from bricks. Efflorescence is caused due to presence of alkalis in bricks. Chups is the formation of bricks caused by rainfall over hot bricks. Checks or cracks occur due to excess of lime or water. Spots occur due to presence of sulfides. Blisters occur due to air entrained during molding. Laminations are due to air entrapped in the voids of the clay. A good brick should not break when thrown down from a height of 1 meter. When two bricks are struck with each other, they should provide metallic ringing sound. There should not be any mark left when brick is scratched with a fingernail. Brick should be uniform in color. Bricks should have uniform shape and size with straight edges. Perforated bricks are used because they are light in weight and have heat insulating properties. Heavy duty burnt clay bricks are used in masonry works in bridges, foundations, and multi-story buildings. Burnt clay soling bricks are used for soling the roofs. Burnt clay hollow blocks are used to reduce heat, sound, and dampness. It also reduces dead load on the wall.